Whether you received my Beginning Scratchboard Kit as a gift, purchased it for yourself, or are simply interested in what's inside, this video is going to unbox my kit and go over getting your needles and everything ready for use. So first you're going to have your single tattoo needle, and then you're going to have 6 different styluses. One is going to look slightly different than the others, and they will all be a different color except for maybe that one that has the silver band in the middle. You're going to use these to stick the tattoo needles that are also included into and use those as your drawing instrument. So here you have a little cellophane bag, and that is going to be filled with all of the different needles that are included in the kit, as well as your X-Acto knife. I have labeled each one individually so that you know which needle you've got. So here is your X-Acto blade, then you have your R3, your R5, your S12, your U18, and your U19. Be really careful when unpackaging these. They are needles, they are sharp, especially the X-Acto knife, which is wrapped in the little paper. Here you have a 3-pack of ampersand scratch boards in a 5x5 size. And then there is also a little leaflet inside the packet that just tells you what scratchboard is and gives you a QR code as well as a link to download my tutorial videos. And I will be adding onto those each month. I plan to do a new video. So if you have any suggestions as to what something specific you want to learn on Scratchboard, let me know in the comments below, and I will keep that in mind for future videos. So when pulling your needles out, you're going to peel the plastic layer away from the paper, and you'll pull your needle out, and then you're going to unscrew the stylus using the silver part on the top. And on the top, you'll notice it looks like a little X. You're going to insert, the one we're doing right now is an R needle, so you're going to insert that in the center of the X and then tighten it back up. I do not tend to push my needle all the way into the stylus. I like to leave it out a little bit. That gives it a little bit more flexibility when you are drawing with it. For your S and your U needles, they're going to be a little flatter. So those you're going to still insert on the top, and you're just going to follow one of the lines of the X. So as you can see, you just easily peel it apart, kind of the way you would a Band-Aid to open up your needle. Again, unscrew, place inside, again, along one of the sides of the X. You can even angle these if you want, but I tend to put them in straight. And then you're going to go ahead and tighten it back up. So that one is all ready for use. You're going to follow the same process for your X-Acto blade, only that one you are going to use the stylus that is slightly larger and that has the little silver band in the middle. This one has a red one, but your pack might have a different color. Also, I would suggest keeping track if you don't think you can remember which needle goes into which stylus. Maybe give yourself a cheat sheet until you get used to using them. So you might want to write down blue is my R3, purple is my R5, etc. Just so you can keep track of which needles you have in which stylus. So you're going to follow the same process again. Unscrew the top, insert it, and tighten it back up. This is your single tattoo needle. This is not going to go inside a stylus. You're going to just hold it like a pen and use it, and it peels off the same way. You'll peel off the back paper, and then you can pull your needle out. So that's everything that's in the kit, and I plan to add new videos each and every month. I suggest starting with my drawing technique with Scratchboard Tools video, and then maybe moving on to a tutorial. The Kit Chickadee is one that I have on there. I also do already have all of the reference photos ready for you and ready to download again through that QR code link. So I hope this video helps you, and I hope you love the art of Scratchboard and enjoy creating something new.